Ah, backing.
When do we go home? But when it's soon, Kuya, let's go home. I want to go home to Nanay, Kuya. Saturday evening. Wala. Wala. Are you looking for this? The two boys are sitting in the back. The bride is eating rice. Eventually, I'm drinking tea.
Ang tagal nila.
Hey, you! Get up there. Quick. Where's the little rubber? Ah.
Rubber? There's no little rubber here.
There he is. That rubber that the prisoner had on the table.
No, my brother didn't get any.
Come here. You. The guard got
Oh, over. Over? Yeah. Ah, 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 ay.
the guard went with Brazilian and dressed on the way. Ay, tumatawa. Nagsisira yung ano. Maganda na sana. Lain sila yung takad mo. Yung may masak na. May mas na. Meron ko lang palang ka. Tita, set the table for her. Kaya nga, yung siya kanong ko. Once in a while, she looked out of the window to see if her dad were coming. My dreamers are coming home today. It's Saturday, and this is their day off from their work in the convento. Tita heard footsteps and loud knocking. Knock, 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 knock. Oh, they're here now. Tita eagerly runs to open the door, but gets disappointed and afraid to find out that they are not her son. Okay, but her good for nothing husband. Tita! Tita! Backing off. Oh, it's you, not my son! Son has tasted junk. Yes, it's only me, not your beloved son. He he he. Where are they? Where does Basilio?
Buti hindi video.
They have not arrived. Maybe later. He had better come. Going to the kitchen. Bakit mo siya? Diba anak din siya?
Oo nga. Wala nang ininom.
Ilang bro? Isang tama.
Oo nga. Anong,
Kumain. Kumatawan.
anong alak yun? Arm. Sarap.
Sana may tubig yung ano niya para makatulong.
Kaya,
Press ka to na. Uy, kumain na.
tama naman. Ganun naman talaga. Ano ba?
Ayun yung bote mo. Kaya. Nagalabas
My son is God. My son's God. Hmm? Okay.
My son, Basilio! Why? Are you alright? My son! Why? Your head is bleeding!
Backing, meron silang backing.
Where's Basilio? Your brother! But why? Eating is cut short by heavy footsteps, loud voices, and knocks. It turns out that the two Spanish guards have come.
Hanap niya pa. Sa banda rito.
Lover, Steve, my son. No. My son is shut up. Shut your big mouth. Just bring the boy out.
Don't you hurt my mother.
What? Thanks for you. Hey.
Wow. Nagwaya ka drabon.
Napakamarasal. Excited na ako.
Dalawang diyan.
Naipatublak sa magkano. Hanggang sa pag-exit meron pa rin maganda. Oo, dapat pinagalan lang ng narrator. An insane. Tama na. Yan na. Cute.
Harap ka dito.
Backing. Yan.
Kambing.
Yan, kakasal.
May... Banira naman si Tara to.
Ganun naman talaga yung ugali nila, di ba? Ganun. Harap.
Sinikos na naman.
Inay! This is Basilio. Here's Basilio. Ay, Basilio.
Where's the civil?
Inay, I'm not the Guardia Civil. I'm Basilio.
Go away! You're George the civil! You are standing right, offense and all. Basilio Francis officer. End of
Galing.
Matawa yan.
Ito yung pinakamaganda.
Ayun sa nila siya. Salamat.
Characters lang. Characters.
Ay, hindi ko nakita yung mga girl. Oo nga. Wala pa silang ginawa.